3, 2, 1. Okay, today we're going to be seeing what happens if you were to fill a pair of Nike Airs with helium. Could you jump higher? Could you float? And then also, due to many requests, I'm going to be putting a pair of Nike Airs in my vacuum chamber to see if they actually pop. And if they don't pop, then we'll stick it in the hydraulic press and finish it off. Okay, first, before we fill it with helium, let's first measure how heavy the shoe is with air in it. 414 grams. So now let's put helium in it and see if we can actually get a measurable change in weight. Okay, 3, 2, 1. Whoa, look at it collapse down. Okay, now let's get some helium. Okay, now pinch this off, switch it for helium, and pull this out. Now it's mostly helium in there. Now let's weigh it again. 414 grams, exactly the same weight as before. Let's see if it can handle the pressure from the hydraulic press. Okay, let's see if we can pop it in the hydraulic press. Okay, 3, 2, 1. So we folded it in half, and it looks like the air bubble has popped. I didn't actually hear a pop, but the air bubble is now flat. The shoe squished all out and ruined the bottom sole here. I think the Nike Airs are done. Okay, and now to appease everyone's curiosity, what happens to Nike Airs in a vacuum chamber? Will they pop? Okay, Nike Airs in a vacuum. 3, 2, 1. Oh, they're starting to bulge in there. Whoa, look at them. We're only about halfway there. We're at half an atmosphere. Whoa, I don't know if they'll hold on. They're really bulging. Whoa, I don't know if they'll hold on. Only a third an atmosphere in there now. You can see it from the side now, how puffed out it is. Okay, we're at a full vacuum now, and it doesn't look like it's popped. I kind of expected that it wouldn't pop because they have to manufacture these so that they can take a wide range of pressure depending on the weight of people that are wearing them. So they should be able to easily withstand a swing in 14 pounds per square inch, which is about the difference that we gave it by putting it in the vacuum chamber. Let's let the air back in. 3, 2, 1. So it looks like they've manufactured this pretty well. It can't take a thorn, but it can take a vacuum chamber. Hey everybody, thanks for watching another episode of the Action Lab. I hope you enjoyed it, and thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.